if we can sell 500 heads and 35 pesos each, it will cost to 17,000.
Think globally, farm locally. Welcome to Backyard Farming.
Welcome to my mini hydroponics greenhouse ka-backyard. So ang topic natin ay divided into 3 categories. First is the material and capital. Second is the process of planting. And then third is the income, or how much is the income of this setup. So first po, tatalakayin natin ka-backyard is the materials and the capital. So magkano ba, how much it will cost to start hydroponics at home. My setup is very simple. This greenhouse just costs 1,500 pesos. So except the labor, because I only did this one just to start an hydroponics and learn, practice, and having error. So it's been more than 1 year that I'm doing hydroponics Kratky method and having extra income for our family. So first is the greenhouse, 1,500 pesos. You can start at that price. Number 2 is the STYRO box, this one. This STYRO box. How much would it cost? Here, I bought this at 1,000 pesos. Not all of this. There are many more that I will use, but my space is so limited, so I'll explain more later. So each box, I bought it at 50 pesos. To my friend, this is a grape box, so you just made a hole on it and use it. Sometimes what I did is I put some cellophane so that the water will not go out. Number 3 is water for the every 500 heads. So I place here 100 pesos for the water. And number 4 is the nutrient solutions. How much is the nutrient solution? So I will show you. This is the nutrient solution that I bought from Shopee. I use Nutri-Hydro because I already used it. I already tested it. So the cost of this nutrient solution is 550 per liter. So ang pair na ito is 550. 1 liter, 1 liter. So 550 itong dalawa. And the other one is you need the pH up and pH down. I will show you that one. pH up and pH down. So this is the partner here, so that you can test your pH rightly, the pH of your water. So if it goes higher, you use the pH down. If it goes lower, you use the pH up. So the meter that we're going to use for that is the pH meter and the TDS. But the price of this one, the pH up and pH down, is 400 pesos. So it's 400 pesos. This pair is 400 pesos. And the other one is I also bought the iron. This iron, you need this one so that the taste of your lettuce will be more crispier and more delicious compared to not applying this iron. This cost 485 pesos. You can try by not having iron, and with iron you will really see the taste, or you will taste it differently. I like more about this, especially with our customer. So the other one is the meters. I will show you the meters that I've used. So this is the 2 meters you need to start hydroponics. The one is the pH meter. The pH meter used to test the pH level of your water. The proper pH exact, or for me that really works for lettuce, is at least in 6.0, you know, because that is the meter or level that the lettuce will absorb nutrients. 6.0. And this one is the TDS. The TDS is used to get your ppm or parts per million, the total dissolved solid. No, it will test here. At least you will test this one in the water with nutrients to 700 to 800 ppm, so that your lettuce will really grow big together with the right level of pH. And I will make that detail more in the description below. I will put there some practical steps how to use this one and how to properly use the meters for the hydroponics. So it's here in my channel, and especially in description below if you want to learn how to use this one properly, how to get the level, the pH, and the TDS. Another one is the seeds. Seeds that will cost at least 500 seeds, you know, for this video. Just estimate 500 seeds, because these two nutrient solutions is equal to 500 heads of lettuce. 2 nutrient solutions is equals to 500 heads. And I will show you later how much is the income of this 1 liter with 500 heads or seeds. So that seeds at least will cost to 500 also, no? 500 or more pesos, including the what do you call that, the shipment. And number 7 is the STYRO cups. So you need the STYRO cups, or others use other medium, but I use STYRO cups. So the STYRO cups, I will show you how to make holes on it in a description below. Also, I will show you how to do that step by step without using electricity. Okay, so this one costs at least 150, you know, for your start, for the start, 150 pesos. And the COCOPEAT will cost here is 200 per sack. So that 200 per sack, it will really that is enough for 500 heads, and even more than enough. So that will cost more or less 5,000 all in all for the capital and the materials. So if you want to start hydroponics at home, at least you have 5,000. Make it 6 or 7 for the extra, including the shipping and the things that you need to buy. So, and even the labor part of it. So at least 5,000 to 6,000 you can start your hydroponics at home. But the question is there any income by using hydroponics? Is there any income that will come back to you as soon as possible? And I will tell you later, there is income here. So number 2 category is the process of planting. So I will show you the process of planting. Number 1 is sowing. How to sow the seeds in the COCOPEAT. How to sow seeds here inside this cup using the medium of COCOPEAT. Not the styrofoam, but COCOPEAT. And number 2 is the hardening. You will learn that hardening also. The hardening is
A day after germination until 7 days.
you can place them where the sun is, where there is a sun, but not too much sun. Maybe from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. you place them where there is a sun, and then bring them to the place that there is no sun or less sun. So that is hardening, part of it. For a few days you hardening, so that they will get to use the heat from the sun, and they will not be shocked if there is there's so much heat, so that they will not be shocked. So you'll do it hardening for this day 1 hour, for another day 2 hours in the sun, or 3 hours in the sun. That is hardening process of exposing them to the sun. So number 3, I will show you that in description. All of this process I will show you in this channel, so you can do that and follow that and watch that. Number 3 is half strength. So you will provide half strength from 7 days from germination. So when they germinate, 7 days you count, you see them, you germinate. As you see them germinate, count that from that day to 7 days, then you can apply the half strength. If you want to learn how to do half strength, what is the proper solution for half strength, I will show you how to do that. And then after half strength is the full strength, 7 to 10 days from the half strength. So you will count 7 to 10 days from the half strength. 7 to 10 days from the half strength. Okay, so that your lettuce have enough roots to sip from the nutrients here in this box, if they have enough roots. So that's the purpose of that half strength, so that they will the nutrients they get is not full but half, and then when they move to the full strength, they have already enough roots to sip nutrients from this full strength. So I will show you how to do that also in description below, on how to do that full strength. What is the proper solution, level of solution for full strength, so that you can place them and start your hydroponics. So that's it, the second category of doing hydroponics at home, the process of planting. Now we'll proceed to number 3 category. The number 3 category is all about income. Just what I have said, is there any income of hydroponics like this set up here in our home, in our backyard? So this is my backyard hydroponics. So for 1 liter of solution is equals to 500 heads. So you need to put that, your mathematics, okay? 1 liter of solution is equals to 500 heads. So the price of each lettuce here in our place costs 35 pesos each. 35 pesos each. So this one is I think it's 40 days. 30, maybe 35 to 40 days. This is different levels. There are schedules here because we want to produce every week. So in my setup, we planned to have and harvest every week 20 heads every week, at least 20 heads every week. So that 20 heads every week, that is the minimum. That's a minimum. Times 35 each is equals to 700. So monthly, if we can do that, minimum of 20, we can earn 2,800 pesos monthly if we can produce 20 heads per week. Wow, that's amazing. 20 heads per week, and if monthly we can earn 2,800 pesos, because 720 times 35 is 700 pesos. 700 times 4 weeks is 2,800 pesos. And that is big income for this setup. So because in every 500 heads, if we can sell 500 heads and 35 pesos each, it will cost to 17,000. So that is the possible income of having 5,000 capital, a minimum of capital of 5,000 to 6,000. You can have a possibility to earn 17,000 pesos. 17,000 pesos. So you can have a possible income of 12,000 from your 5,000 capital. I hope this lesson or this topic help you, and I would encourage you to try small. I started before like 4 boxes. So just learn and trial and error, and now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 boxes, and then planning to expand this month. I'm planning to do something to expand in my parents' house, because there is a demand of lettuce. So we have customer already, so per week we can deliver and we can produce. My goal is at least I can produce 40 heads per week, or even 50 for this time. So that's it, Kabackyard. I hope you enjoy this this topic, and I hope you find something valuable today. And if you want to learn more about hydroponics, how to start and all about hydroponics, you can click here in this side. And if you are planning to learn about backyard farming, so in this channel we do organic gardening, backyard lettuce, hydroponics, backyard chicken, backyard quail, and backyard fish, and even azola. So I'm doing this just to help you to earn something, mga kapwa ko Pilipino, and to those who are listening, there is money here, and you can start on your own small capital. So that's it, Kabackyard. God bless you. See you next time.